Hello everyone, and welcome to EnglishLogica.com. In this video, we'll look at the phrasal verb catch up and show you a number of its different meanings. Meaning one of the phrasal verb catch up is to reach a point you expect to be at or to complete a task left unfinished. Here, the phrasal verb is lengthened by adding the preposition on. He planned on going for dinner with his wife tonight, but things have changed. I'm sorry, honey, but I have to postpone our dinner date tonight. I just have too much work to catch up on, and I need to work late. Carol is really looking forward to finishing work this evening. I can't wait to finish tonight. My evening consists of takeaway food and catching up on some TV shows I've been missing. Meaning two of catch up is to connect with or meet up with someone. The work colleagues are having lunch together. I'm glad we've caught up today because I'm working in our other office for the rest of the week, so I won't get a chance. Tom met up with his childhood friends. They haven't been together in years. I'm having a blast. We should catch up more often. When used as a noun, meaning three of catch up, is to have or arrange a meeting. The manager is looking for a brief rundown on how things are progressing in the office. Let's have a catch up at 10 a.m. I have a small window at that time, but then I'm in meetings for the day. One of the employees missed the weekly meeting last week. I'm sorry I missed last week's meeting, boss. Can we have a catch-up at some stage today? So let's look back on what we've covered. Catch up can mean to reach a point you expect to be at, or to complete a task left unfinished. I need to catch up on some sleep. I'm overworked. To connect with or meet up with someone. Let's catch up next week for a coffee. To have or arrange a meeting. I've arranged a catch-up with management for later today. Where did you hear the phrasal verb catch up? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to EnglishLogica or visit EnglishLogica.com for more English phrasal verbs you can use in social situations and in the workplace.